behalf of the ward chairman, ward 1, I presented this card, membership card, to my leader
of PDP.
That was a chance.
Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. I want to first thank the chairman of our ward, ward number 1, for their cooperation with us so far since our amiable governor made his move to join the PDP. We are very, very happy, like I said in all my previous interviews, that the day the governor will move, that is when we all move. And since he announced his movement to the People's Democratic Party, we as loyal followers of the governor of the state, we've all decided to move along with him. And we are all witnesses to the chairman of my ward presenting my card to me. For me and many of my followers, this is like homecoming for us. I'm not a stranger in PDP. I'm a founding member of the PDP. I joined the PDP at foundation in 1998. And it might interest a lot of people to know that I, Honorable Charles that was seated here, conducted the first primaries for the National Assembly in 1998 that took Senator Arues Owie, Honorable Wesley Dahosa, and a host of others from Medusa in the premises of our late leader, Dr. Sakbo Bemuga in 1998. So that, I'm just saying that so that you know that it's not just business as usual for us that, oh, they moved. We've been here before. I'm not married to 2 wives. But I've heard that old adage that you marry 2 wives, you never know which one is best. I haven't tasted PDP. I'm being a founding member of the AACD from 2004 when I resigned as commissioner in the PDP government led by Lucky Beledium. And we have since been in the APC. I was a commissioner in the PDP government. I served in the APC government as advisor. It's become very clear to me that the PDP is more democratic than the APC. What we saw in the APC is unimaginable. The humiliation of the governor, the humiliation of the leaders, and a situation where one man becomes totally the National Working Committee of a party. Just this afternoon I heard that the police have driven everybody away from the APC secretary. But I'm not going to bore you to bother my head about APC anymore because I'm no longer a member of the APC. So we want to thank the PDP for making it possible for all of us to return. And we are very happy. And I can predict, I can say that Edo State is now a one-party state. With us returning back to the PDP where we left to go and form the ACD in 2044, that metamorphosed to AC, ACD, and later APM. We are very happy and we will give all our support to Governor Godwin Obaseki to actualize his dream for the betterment and development of our dear state and our people. Thank you very much.